So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to create a Tradingview indicator using ChatGPT. So, to get the most accurate code, you need to explicitly tell ChatGPT what moving average and conditions you want. Just copy and paste the text below into ChatGPT. You can find it in the description below. Now, open up your Tradingview chart. At the very bottom of your screen, look for the Pine Editor tab and click it. Select Open and choose New Blank Indicator to start with a fresh slate. Now delete any default code currently sitting in the Pine Editor window. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the block of code it just generated for you and paste it directly into the empty Pine. Now click the Chart button located in the top right corner of the Pine Editor panel. Tradingview will instantly compile the script. If the code is perfect, you will immediately see your blue and red EMAs, your 50-period SMA, and your custom buy signals pop up right on your candlesticks. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.